Good morning, guys. It's 5:30 in the morning and we're going to the Red Bull Ring today. Okay, here's our driver Dima, here's Katya and Anya. So Dima, tell us a little bit about the car.
It's a car on the batteries, nothing special. It's around 500 horsepower.
So how fast it goes from 0 to 100?
4 seconds.
4 seconds? Yeah, it's okay. So guys, our first stop is we need to get something to eat, and here's our kind of traditional spot we always stop at. So it's a cool McDonald's, and this McDonald's is actually really special because it has this 100 Wasser aesthetics. So stop number 2, Tesla supercharger. We need to charge the battery to get the car ready for the track drive. And it's actually a really nice spot. So they have this like Tesla lounge. So yeah, it's a really nice lounge. They also have books. I like this one, Tiefenschärfe. Means depth of field.
Трек, видно вот трек.
So we arrived to the track. Registration is done. We are almost ready to drive. Okay, Anya, you are first to race with Dima. What are your feelings?
A little bit afraid
Just a little bit?
and much more excited.
And here it is, the very heart of the Red Bull Ring. Let's enjoy the view from here. So how was it?
Нормально.
Нормально?
It was okay.
Oh, I feel sick.
So the first session is over. We're driving to the charger.
Сообщение прочитал.
So guys, now we're gonna go ahead and mount the GoPro, but this setup is a bit different from what you're used to seeing. So we've got our GoPro inside the cage, and we use it just because it has this filter thread so that we can screw on an ND filter and get some nice motion blur in the shot. So let's go ahead and mount it. And so here's the mounted setup. We've got our GoPro on the suction cup, mounted to the roof of the car, and here's the view that we have. So the second session is over. Katya is doing great. We recorded the whole race on the GoPro. Not very sure about the perspective we have here. For the next session, let's put it on the windshield. And so here's the new placement. I think like this we will get a much more clear perspective. So here it is, guys. Finally, it's my turn. I fully trust Dima, so let's see what we've got. Here's the starting grid. Yeah, looks nice.
It's the third time today, and I'm still very scared. I mean, on the starting grid, it's always a bit scary, but once we are on the track, it's okay.
So we've got one more session. Now I have the GoPro set up like this, so we get a nice angle on Dima and his steering skills. If you're wondering how many cars participate in one session, then here's your answer. A lot of them. So guys, today is coming to an end. We are done with our races for today. It was a great day. I guess one of the things which is cool about a hobby like this for people like us, for filmmakers, is that it looks really cinematic and cool, like these racing cars, to film those things. It's a lot of joy, really, like not only the experience itself, but also like the opportunity to, you know, get those, you know, really cool shots of sport cars and everything. So yeah, thanks a lot for hanging out with me today, guys. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and until the next time, see you in the next video.